Hey guys, if you wanted to change the cabin filter, you're smelling something bad, all you need to do first go to the glove box on the passenger side here, and then from there you can see here there's a clip. All you need to do, just press it, pull it, and it's gonna come out like this. And then after, you need to press these clips at one time on, you can see the other side, both clips need to be pressed at one time, and just take it out. And once you take off that cover that you can see here, by pressing the both clips at one time, you can see the cabin filter here. What you can do, just simply pull it out. You can just take it out and replace it with the new one. And the same way you can do it, you just put it back, just press it on the both side, and just to put that main cover back, first you need to do, put the left side first, and then go there, just press it. There you go, guys. Easy peasy. Thank you.